Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Khushbu. Okay, so how many of us we are here? Me, you,
And
Veena, Anjali.
only four of us.
Okay, so somebody is yet to join, or only
No,
four
ma'am.
of us will be?
Only four of us.
Okay, okay. So shall we start with Anjali? Anjali, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
Good, ma'am. I'm fit.
Okay, okay. That's really great to hear that you're doing great. Anjali, tell me one thing. This month of February is said to be the month of love, and so many days are falling on this week, especially some Rose Day, Propose Day, Promise Day, and then finally the gala event of Valentine's Day. What is your take on all these so-called day-wise celebrations? How do you find that? Uh, is it really something which carries some sense to you, or you find it unnecessary? What is your perception about these days?
Yeah, ma'am. I like this day.
Anjali, you are muting yourself perhaps quite a few times. We're not being able to hear you. You have to unmute yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Yeah,
like
tell
this.
me, what is your stake on this day?
Ma'am, I like these days. Ma'am, we will express our feelings.
Okay, we will express our feelings. So, you really think that expression of feelings requires some days rather
No,
some
ma'am.
specific days?
Ma'am,
Okay. How one
ma'am,
can
it's
express his or her feelings? Yeah, you finish your answer first.
ma'am. I think these days are like kind of celebration.
You are being prompted by somebody, because I can hear these same sentences being told to you. Are you being prompted
No,
by
ma'am.
somebody?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please try to speak in your own, huh? Because
Yeah,
if
ma'am.
you don't speak your mind and if you do not make mistakes, then you will never learn how to correct your mistakes, okay? Whatever comes in
Yeah.
your mind, you just speak it out. If I feel like correcting you, I will do that, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, batao. What is your take on Anjali? Can you please turn your video on, because I'm not being able to see you.
Sure, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
uh, ma'am, I don't think uh, this day will be, ma'am, uh, ma'am, I don't know about it very well. Madam, I will
If you
never.
want to speak in Hindi, you can do that.
Okay.
आपको अगर हिंदी में बोलना मतलब कि सीधा लगता
ऐसे
है
में
तो आप बोल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम।
मैम मैंने ये सब डेज बनाए नहीं है तो मुझे मैम इतना नहीं पता है इसके बारे में। बट मैम अच्छा लगता
हम्म।
है देख
तो
करके ये आज हुआ है।
अच्छा अच्छा लगता है। You told a very important statement, Anjali. You said that these are the days of celebration on which we express our feelings, right? So how do we express our feelings?
मैम बाय डूइंग समथिंग सो फॉर समवन।
How do you do that?
By giving gift.
Anjali, can you listen to me?
Yes, ma'am. By giving gift,
Okay.
card, puppies, or flower, whatever.
Okay. Okay. Tell me one thing, Anjali. We can express our feelings by bringing gifts for our loved ones, and we can celebrate the days, right? So, do you think that plants have feelings of their own also?
Ma'am, what?
Plants, पेड़.
Ma'am, I don't the meaning of it.
Plant मतलब कि पेड़. पेड़.
Yes, ma'am.
Trees.
Yes, ma'am.
So you think they have feelings too?
No, ma'am.
They don't have feelings?
No, ma'am.
They don't have. Do you agree that they have lives?
Yeah.
Is it possible that somebody will have life but will not have feelings or anything?
Yeah, ma'am. They they don't have emotion.
They don't have emotions. Okay. Did you study some research made on plants and something that can talk about whether they do have it or not? Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anjali, tell me something about yourself, the best way you want to describe yourself. Anjali, you were muted again, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Describe yourself.
Now my hobby is to play games and uh, watch TV, mobile, and like to eat foods, different types of.
These only 2 lines for yourself? You have to talk at least 10 sentences.
Ma'am, I live in Lucknow, and ma'am, in my family there are 7 members. There are 2 brothers.
You're
My
muted
school,
again.
ma'am, my school name is Sentence Point Public School. I study in class 8th A.
You're muted.
My favorite color is orange. Ma'am, some rush is there, so that's why I'm muting myself.
Okay. Okay, Anjali, a humble suggestion to you. It seems that you are not someone who talks very much. You are a good listener, I feel. You talk less, right? I cannot hear you. You're again muted. Please unmute yourself and then speak out. What did you say? Huh?
Ma'am, what can
कुछ
you
बोल
do?
रहे थे ना आप? I told that it seems that you are not an ardent speaker, but you are a good listener. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But beta, one thing to tell you, that whenever you are sitting in a forum where you have to talk on behalf of getting something done, it can be an interview, it can be a group discussion process, it can be a public speaking sort of an activity, it can be an extracurricular activity where you have to debate or talk on extempo or anything else. Please understand that you have to talk, and you have to talk the best you can. So I can see that there is a lot of hesitation in you when you are going to talk about anything. Say, for example, if I ask you a different question or a difficult question, you may find difficulty in answering it, right? But when I'm asking you something which you know the best in world, that is something about yourself, so you should be very eloquent, isn't it? I'm asking you, describe yourself in the best way. So you should talk the best you ever can. Talk about yourself. खुद के बारे में जितना तुमको पता है उतना तो हमको नहीं पता है ना? So that passion has to be there when you talk. It is seeming that you are talking very half-heartedly. You are not at all involved in it. Okay, this is how it is not going to work. This is how it is not at all going to work. You have to talk very passionately, you have to talk confident, you have to look confident more importantly, and you cannot hesitate while you are going to talk to somebody. Introduce yourself. Hi, this is Anjali Singh from Lucknow, or I am Anjali Singh from Lucknow. In this time of COVID, I am doing good, and thank you for the opportunity for for allowing me a chance to introduce myself in front of you. I belong from a joint family where we are 7 members presently, and I have 2 brothers who are very naughty or who are very calm and quiet, and we share a good peace and harmony in our family. As far as my studies are concerned, I am currently in standard 8, and I am involved in a lot of extracurricular activities which keep me busy in my leisure time. And besides that, I also like to chill out by watching TV, watching video games, browsing stuffs on internet, listening to music, watching cinemas, traveling, and etc. And not to forget to mention that I am also a foodie person. I love to try different kinds of foods, and experimental foods are always on the top of my choice. Where the choice of colors comes, well, I like vibrant colors, and orange being a predominant one out of them. See, I am just repeating your answer, but when I'm talking, you can see a difference between your answer and my answer, right? Did I repeat exactly what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Did I
Yes,
repeat
ma'am.
exactly what you said? Right?
Yes.
But see,
Yes,
there is
ma'am.
a smile on your face because it seems that you like the way I talked, right? So you have to
Yes, ma'am.
talk the way that people like you. तुमको ऐसे बात करना है जाकि तुम्हारे बात सुन के ही तुम लोगों को पसंद आ जाए, है ना? तो ये करने के लिए बेटा थोड़ा मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा. You have to stand in front of a mirror and talk convincingly about yourself. Start doing it. बात करना शुरू करो. Listening is a big skill which you already have. But if you want to scale up your potential, and if you want to be a good talker, a good presenter, you have to talk good, and more importantly, you have to be a good presenter as well. So उसका तो तरीका जो है मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, वो थोड़ा practice करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना? Any question?
No. No, ma'am.
Happy with the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And we will meet again on the next class, okay? Sure. So with this, shall I go to Khushbu? Khushbu, can you please turn your video on? Anjali, thank you, beta. You can turn off your video, yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Khushbu. Good evening, I cannot see you. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Khushbu. How are you doing?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I am doing good too.
Thank you.
So Valentine's Day
Yes,
is
ma'am.
on this Sunday. What is your plan for that day?
Ma'am, we will celebrate this with my family. It will give happiness.
Okay, how you're planning to celebrate?
Ma'am, that thing just normal, just arranging some flowers, cake, and toffees, chocolates, like that only with my kids.
Okay, so you are going to get it or you are going to do it?
No, ma'am, just get it.
Oh, अच्छा, तो तोहफा आएगा आपके लिए. That is wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
You are a lucky champ.
Thank
You're
you.
very lucky. Yeah, and I wish you all the very best so that this continues ever. It continues ever, and you will live the brightest. As my prayers are always with you. Kushbu, tell me
Thank
one thing. Are you a gardener? Do you do planting and gardening in your home?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you do this?
Ma'am, it gives, in India, we worshipped basil every day in the evening or in the morning. I think it will give happiness, so I do it.
Okay. Do you think that plants have emotions and feelings?
Yes, ma'am, plants have emotions and feelings.
Have you ever felt it in your life?
Yes, ma'am. Sometime I talk to my money plant. I grown up on my in the balcony. There is basil leaves also,
Mm-hmm.
basil plants. And in India, we worshipped every day like banyan tree, basil. So I think plants have feelings.
No, my question is, do we worship them because they have feelings, or we worship them that brings feelings in their body? What is your take on it?
No, ma'am. Actually, plants have feelings in their own way. It reacts. Plants can react only skin. Skin can react all the things.
How does it react? How does it respond rather? React is not a correct word. Respond is a better word on this
Okay.
perspective. So how
Yes, ma'am.
do plants respond to touch, you think?
Ma'am, when a small seed when put in the soil, then it grown up, maybe 1 week or maybe after 2 week, and then it start grown up with
It
leaves.
starts growing up. It
It
starts
starts growing up.
growing up. Okay. It
Okay,
starts growing up.
okay, and then it will.
इसको दिमाग में नहीं रहेगा.
Okay,
It
then it
starts
will.
growing up.
Okay, starts growing up.
Yeah.
Yes, it starts growing up.
Yeah. And
And starts growing up, and then it gives us fruit and flowers.
that is all about their feelings.
No, ma'am, not about feelings. Uh, just this example, ma'am, when a sunflower is grown up in the morning, due to sun rays are coming from its direction, maybe sunflower is also on same direction. Then it think plants have feelings.
Okay, if I justify this activity of a sunflower plant, then perhaps it will fall under the category of phototropic translation. There's a mechanism associated with it. Okay, so whenever there is a light, something will
So like,
stretch out its arms towards that. So this is basically translation, and since this happens due to photons, which is solar energy, so this is phototropic translation. So technical or biological or scientific explanation behind what you are saying is there. So it necessarily does not justify your answer. But if you want, you can clarify. You can explain that how you have felt that plants have emotions as well.
ma'am, I don't have an idea to explain plants have emotions or feelings. Yes or no? I am confused here.
You have to. No, you have to, because this is the topic of our discussion today. Okay, we are
Yes, I
only
know.
talking about that whether, yeah, whether plants have feelings or something like that.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Plants.
you can just tell me, you can talk your mind.
Yes, ma'am. Plants have feelings, I think. But how I cannot explain, ma'am. I don't have words to explain. I'm just confused here. Please, you can
But you
help,
are
ma'am.
saying me repeatedly, you are telling me repeatedly that you have felt that plants have emotions, right?
No, no. Plants have emotions.
That you have felt it like आपको लगा है कि ये it has got a emotion, something like that.
Mm,
You have felt it.
no.
Then why do you think that they have emotions? Don't you think that it is having a feeling and not being emotional or not being able to express it, it's a kind of a contradiction that you are dragging to the discussion? Are you understanding that you are contradicting your earlier statement with your current statement? Are you understanding that?
Yes, ma'am. I'm confused here. I cannot explain, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Khushbu, since you are with us for a quite longer time, so a humble
Yes.
request to you would be the moment you come to know that what is going to be the topic of discussion for the class today, okay, please give it a thorough thought, and more importantly, try to browse some informations from internet about the topic. This will help you to remain prepared. Okay, we can try on a natural talent and appear on any interview and exams and whatever it is. So if the luck favors us, then we will sail through and things will run okay and smooth. But if things are not that easy, then that research, that detailed thought, and the hard work is going to rescue you. Mere luck or mere talent will not save. That is, I'm saying for everybody. The moment you get the topic, please browse something from the internet so that you get an idea about what exactly you have to do. Okay, you have to have an idea about what exactly you have to do. Okay, thank you, Khushbu. Thank you for being here. With that, shall we move to Veena?
Yeah, good
Thank you, ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Veena. Do you think that, acha, we have Kamal also with us, na? Kamal Anand. Yeah.
Kamal Anand.
Okay. Yeah. So, Veena, only one question to you. Do you think that plants have feelings?
Yes, plants have feeling, and I have experienced it.
Can you please share your experience with us?
Like I have planted two of the seeds. In both the seeds, I have given all the requirement what a seed needs to grow. And with the one seed, I started talking to him, and I said, when we'll grow, we will talk to each other. We will be best friends, and I love you the best. You are the bestest thing which happened to me. And that seed grew up like in 2 days, and the other seed was just inside the soil. This proves that they have emotion because
Wonderful.
the plant wanted to talk to me so much that it just grew up.
Okay. And it seems that your words and your intents touched the soul of the plant, isn't it?
Yes. And when I am sad, like when I'm feeling to cry, like I'm feeling to very slow in my life, I just go and hug a plant, and I just say that you are the one who is for me. No one is there, no one can understand me, you can understand me. And I can feel the energy coming in me.
True. Wonderful. It was really nice talking to you, Veena, because the experiences and the convictions that you conveyed and shared, that truly touched me. And yes, let me tell you that I do feel the same way for plants as well. So your explanations and your answer was so much refreshing, so promising, and so fresh for a winter evening. Thank you for being there. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
And with that, we will move on. Yeah, thank you, Veena. And with that, we will move on to Kamal Anand. Kamal, can you please turn your video on? Kamal, can you please turn your video on? Kamal, please unmute yourself.
Hi.
Can you please turn on your video? Sorry, you're not audible. You're not audible, Kamal.
Hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah. Will you please turn your
Hello?
video on? Yeah, can you please turn your video on?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, I couldn't hear you anyways because your video was also frozen. The connection is not good where
Oh,
I am right now. Yeah, maybe next time around I'll put
oh,
it on.
okay, fine. Kamal, can you please tell us that whether you think that plants have emotions and feelings?
Well, I don't think so. They have emotions, though they are living. But
Hmm.
as just now one ma'am explained that she has been talking to plants and there is a difference. So I would love to try it out and know if they do have feelings.
Sorry, we couldn't hear you for the rest of your answer.
I
You
said
don't
no, I don't.
agree that?
Yeah, I don't think so. They have they though they are living. I know they are living, but I don't think so. They have feelings and emotions. But as one ma'am, Veena ma'am, I think she explained that she's been talking to plants and it has helped the plant grow. So I would love to try it out
Why do you think that they do not have feelings and emotions?
because I cannot see the feelings and emotions. I cannot feel that. You know, like I talk to you, I can see you, or I talk to someone, I can see them, I can hear them out. The voice modulation expresses the emotions, and they can express their
Mhm.
feelings. With the plants I cannot see it, so I don't believe it.
Okay, so shall we take it in this way that seeing is believing for you?
Not always, but sometimes yes.
Okay. Are you an atheist person or you believe in God?
I believe in God.
Okay, so the obvious question comes that then seeing is believing does not hold you for the reference that I popped up.
I can see the
Is
plant.
it like
No, it is that analogy is not correct, I feel, because I can see the plant.
uh, a humble
Hello,
suggestion to you, Kamal?
I can see the plant.
Yeah, yeah,
Analogy is not
I have a
correct, I
humble
cannot see
suggestion to
God.
you. Okay, a
Sorry.
humble suggestion to am
Mm-hmm.
I audible to you?
Yeah, the connection, I think my connection is not good.
Okay, I understand. A humble suggestion to you is, Kamal, whenever you are placing a statement, try to
Mm-hmm.
be non-judgmental, okay? Because it is more of your perception and less of your information. Because if you place something, please be very assured that the next questions are going to pop up from the reference that you are placing now. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there has been a lot of studies and there have been extensive researches which talks about plants responsiveness, and it is scientifically proved that they do respond in certain ways and to different stimuli. Okay, so now when I talk about this stimuli, I specifically refer to something. Say for example, if I I turn on a torch which light intensity is very high and I place it across your eyeballs will automatically be closed. So this is basically an action which keeps your eyelids shut. So this is a kind of a stimuli. So it has been mathematically and scientifically tested and proved that plants do respond to certain stimuli, human touch being one of them. Okay, so I have two messages for you. One, please try to be non-judgmental while pressing a statement. We all have certain perceptions of our own, but it is
But that's my
better
feeling.
not to
That's not
be,
a judgment. The question
I
was, do I
understood.
feel it? I said, no, I don't feel it.
I absolutely understand, my dear. My only point is place it with, so if your intent is something else and I am decoding something on the other end. So there is a communication lacuna that we both understand. So the communication lacuna is happening over your tone and your type of presentation. Please understand one thing, somebody who is interviewing you
Mm-hmm.
is not a familiar person to you for a longer period of time, right? So So the impression that he or she is going to develop out of you is going to happen over certain factors. Like, one is your body language, how you sit, how you look, how you talk, and more importantly, with the contents that you are going to place with. So now here the contents are your answers, which are being conveyed to the interviewer. In this case, it's me, and your intonations and your voice modulations and your type of presentation is going to carry this for me. So you
1 minute. Is
understand
it an interview or is it a general discussion?
it. Well, it can be a
Because there's a
combination of
difference.
both.
There's a difference because in an interview, the kind of
Yes.
conversation you have is different. In a general group discussion or something, the kind of conversation we usually have is different. So
Yeah,
let us
absolutely
first
agree.
clarify: is it an interview or is it a
Absolutely.
discussion?
Well, you can think that we try to teach people, we try to develop the sense of better communication. It's a process of grooming on communications, right? So even if it's a discussion, even if it's a discussion and it's not interview as per what you said, then also the tone is preferred to be non-judgmental, which your tone was not at all about. I requested you to turn on your video because when people can see each other, the communication is a bit healthier to
Absolutely,
be
yeah.
decepted, which you could not do because of the network issue you have at your end. So what I am decoding out of you is primarily by your answers. You agree to that?
Yeah, with video, it is different.
And the
Absolutely
tone with
correct.
which you placed your answer, yes, that's what I requested you to turn your video on, but unfortunately you couldn't do it because of the network issue, and that's absolutely okay. So the only point that I wanted to make as a kind of a takeaway message from our end, that's one part of it is, please try to look at the tone for which it seems to be non-judgmental if you are really so. I don't know what's your take on it.
Can you just
And the second,
explain me the statement? Can you just tell me which statement made you feel that I am being judgmental?
it's not about the statement, it's more about the tone. It's not about the statement, it's more about the tone. That's something I'm trying to
So something I would have
make
said,
you.
something I would have said, because with a tone, I mean, a tone simply cannot make a person feel being judgmental. So I would say there must be
It
something,
can,
a
it can, it
statement
can, it can. It does, it does.
by
Yes.
only
Being
by
a subject
itself, it
matter
cannot
expert,
do.
being a subject matter expert, I tell you this very specifically that yes, tone is a very important parameter out of a
Without,
communication.
I agree, but all by itself, tone is nothing. It has to be accompanied by words. It has to be accompanied
Yes,
by sentences and phrases, right? So there
absolutely
must
agree.
be a sentence, a phrase, or something must have been there that made you feel, along with my tone, that I was being judgmental. So that will really
No,
help
no,
me if you can tell
no.
me which line, which phrase.
Absolutely, absolutely. You told me one thing, that you think that the plants do not have feelings because you have not felt. See, we do not know. Veena, we are exhausted with the time slot, right? I'll take only 1 minute more. Kamal, we are supposed
Okay,
to wrap up by
okay,
9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock, 3 minutes
okay.
past. But I'll just answer your
Mm-hmm.
question. See, the sun rises in the east, and this is zero amount of information content in this statement, right? We all have a belief in and conviction in God, but we have not seen God. So there are layers of truths and there are layers of deception with which we have a kind of an association. It can be a social format, it can be our childhood upbringing process, it can be our perceptions, it can be our belief system, and lot many other things. So there is not one standard which can satisfy all the set of statements. You talked about that. I asked you that what is your take on plants having feelings or not. You told me that no, I really do not feel, don't think that they have, because I haven't seen them.
No, no, I
Right.
said I don't think they have feelings, but I would love to try talking to them because Veena ji answered that she has experienced the feelings. So that was
Yes.
my answer.
No, that was your first answer. Then I repeated
Yes.
the question. Then I
So
repeated
you
the
wanted me to
question
repeat
about
the same thing again.
no. I wanted the tone to be convincing so that it shows your conviction about your you trying sincerely to experience what Vinadi experienced. I did not expect you to repeat the same thing. Please try to understand. I did not expect you to repeat the same thing.
Mhm.
But the tone was expected to be something different, which shows that you're willing enough to try something which actually touched you. Why did you refer to Vinaji's answer? Because it touched you? And you said that you really
See,
like to try.
if I have no, I feel they don't have feelings and I want to try something, I will get feelings only if I try it and I experience it.
That is all about your trial. That is all about your trial. It does not satisfy the rule that they do not have feelings. It is not about what you feeling about it. It's more about
It's
what
my
the reality
belief.
is. And that is where the statement
I
comes.
agree
See,
what the
come on, if you want
reality
to make
is.
it this a session of argument, then probably we are not on a correct platform. I tried to make you understand that what is exactly expected to be as a tone out of a communication procedure. If you prefer to disagree or to defy, it's all about your call. I'm not really at all interested to taking this conversation to a debate, because this is not the platform all about for. As a subject matter expert, I shared my opinions, and now what is your take on it is absolutely up to you, my dear. I'm not at all with the debate intention on this platform at all. Thank you. Thank you for being there. Veena,
Sure.
shall we wrap up with the
Yes, ma'am.
session here?
Thank you, ma'am.